Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Brave browser settings to their original defaults. Resetting Brave browser can be useful if you are experiencing unwanted changes, browser settings problems, or issues caused by customized settings. So let's get started. First, open Brave browser on your computer. Now, click the menu button in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. The Brave settings page will now open. On the left side, scroll down and find the Reset Settings option. Click on Reset Settings. You will now see the option to restore settings to their original defaults. Click on this option to continue. Before resetting the browser, Brave will show you information about the settings that will be restored. Review the information carefully. If you are ready to continue, click the Reset Settings button. Brave browser will now restore the selected browser settings to their original defaults. After the reset is complete, you may need to adjust some of your browser preferences again. This process can help restore default settings if your browser is not working as expected, and that's how you can reset Brave browser settings. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful browser tutorials.